In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GoCharting. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to GoCharting.com and then you want to create an account or sign in if you have one already. Now after this, you want to go to one of the charts. The easiest way to access them is by hovering over products and clicking on charts over here. Now of course they have a lot of different things as well over here, such as the options desks and the forex calendars, etc. You can use that too, but for this instance, I'm going to teach you how to use the GoCharting charts. Now, this over here is going to be your chart, okay? And the first thing you want to do is, of course, select what you want to see. So over here, you'll basically get the ability to trade or basically look for the analysis of whatever you want. So, for example, I'm going to type in BTC, so Bitcoin, and I'm going to just select one over here, so Bitcoin USD, and then there we go, I got connected to that one. Now, this is now the chart over here. And the first thing you can select is up here, whatever interval you want. So you can go from 10 seconds up to monthly or even custom, as you can see. Then you can select your chart type. So they have a lot of different ones, such as candlesticks, lines. They have the hollow candles. They also have these different Ranko ones, etc. Okay, so it's completely up to you. And then here you can also compare. So you can compare one symbol to a different one if you want to. And here, there's going to be your indicators, and then here you have your template, so you can basically create basically a batch of indicators and then save them as a template, so you don't have to always do it manually. Over here, you can share images if you want to, and this here is the bar replay mode. In case you cannot see any of these up here, click on those three dots on the right over here where it says widgets, and when you click that, you'll be able to basically just enable or turn off these over here. Now, once you have this, also you have the settings up top where you can basically set your settings for charts, axis, coordinates, legend, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can set, different skins, different trading options, etc. Or just reset defaults in case that's something you want to do as well. Now, here on the left, you will then have these cursors. So you either have a pointer and a tooltip, a crosshair plus tooltip, etc. So you have a bunch of different ones you can just select like this, as you can see. And then you also have your drawing tools over here, so you can draw different things on here. You have the arrow markers, you have your rectangles, you can add on text, you can basically add in all these different things over here, so you can go and look by yourself. You can even hide objects, delete objects, measure, etc. Okay, so that's the first thing. And now if you want to just use the chart itself, you can move around by clicking the left button. So you can use your left mouse click, you can hold and just drag the left to the right, up, down, and it's going to basically go left or right. Now, of course, you can also just like this, as you can see, if you use the right click, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. You can delete different drawings, indicators, change your themes, appearances, alerts, buy, sell, etc. And yeah, this is the basic navigation. And you can also use this over here where it says zoom and zoom out, so zoom in, zoom out. And you can also reset to your normal chart either by this or by right-clicking and clicking reset chart. Once you've done this, once you get a hand of this, down here at the bottom, you also have the option to either view the full chart or to view two columns, so two separate charts, or you can also go here and see more different layouts in case that's something you want to do. Here, you can put it into full screen, and then here you can change your themes, you can save it to the cloud, you can add in your Leapy script editor and add in scripts if you want to, you can set and add alerts, you can basically see your financials and stock fundamentals. You can see your account summary over here, so whatever account you're using, you can go ahead and use this. They also have the option of simulator, which is basically a paper trading up here, the top two. And over here, you can trade with this button over here. You can see everything. They have limit, market, stop limit orders, basically all you can need. And then here where it says one click, this is basically the one click trader that gets added onto your chart over here if you want to use it. Now, this is basically when it comes to basics, and then here on the right, you have the layers you can basically select as well. You have your alert manager, you have your books, you have your depth of market, your news, your options chains, and then a watch list as well, together with different brokers you can basically just connect. You also have your expired contracts in here, and your calendar as well, in case that's something you want to use. Now here at the bottom right, you can also contact support, you can report feedback in case you have something to say, or you can record your chart chart and even publish it via this button over here. Now, of course, there's also a big upgrade button up here, so if you want to actually upgrade to one of their premium versions, click on this one, and then you'll basically be able to see your plans and what they offer. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.